I think it's a very unique moment in the history of Hyderabad city that we are today launching this Cycle to Work program, a joint venture of the APIIC, the GHMC, Metro Rail Corporation, the Hyderabad Biking Club and the police, Cyberabad police. Indeed, a very laudable initiative at a time when pollution is costing us lives. I'm very happy that this initiative is coming here. And my request on this occasion is that the cyber city in the next 2 years should become a cycle city. It will no longer be called a cyber city, it will be called a cycle city. And I want one commitment from the GHMC and all the participants that gradually, right now I think we are going to have only one cycling track of probably about a couple of meters wide. Ultimately, my dream is where at least this 60-kilometer stretch will not have any vehicular traffic at all. It will only be bicycle traffic, or for those who cannot ride a bicycle, it will be a solar powered vehicle. There shall be no fuel consumed vehicle at all. I mean, this I think should be the effort of the GHMC and all the stakeholders here. That after all, whenever I go to many of the engineering colleges, I find the students who have sort of made all these solar powered bicycles, solar powered vehicles, which are not very expensive, honestly. So something like a taxi service, if necessary, instead of a cab service, you run a solar powered vehicle service for those who cannot use the bicycle. So idea eventually that every year, I think you must, or every few months or every year, you should be able to expand the cycling track and reduce the motorable track in this 60-kilometer stretch at least. If this experiment succeeds, probably later on we could expand it to other parts of the city also. The other day when I was discussing with Mr. Reddy about the metro rail thing also, the idea will be that later on people get off the train, get into their bikes, go to the work spot and come and deposit the work box and go in the go back in the metro rail station. So over the next 10 years, my dream is large parts of the city will become non-motorable tracks. It will be either cycling tracks or solar power vehicles only. If Hyderabad can set this lead in the country, it will be a great achievement for us. And I'm confident that given our will, given our determination, and given the interest of the people as I see this morning, we will succeed in this experiment. And today I'm told that as many as about 750 to 1,000 cyclists are going to launch off a rally. I only want one word of commitment from you cyclists, that you will continue to cycle. It is not just this day when the governor has come that you will cycle it out, but you will continue to cycle forever now. And this is a commitment which I want, because it can't be just a photo opportunity, but I want this to go into a regular show. This is my dream, and I'm certainly 10 years later when I do visit Hyderabad as an old tottering man, instead of coming in the vehicle, because I wouldn't be the governor at that point of time, I suppose I had the facility of using the solar powered vehicle at least to go through this part of the city and see that my dream has been realized. I wish you all the very best and wish you all success in your experiment. Thank you.